Well, back underway, and there can be no denying it. A huge gulf between the sides in the first half. Will we see a response from France in the second? Went in strongly, decisively. Mbappe. What a genuine opportunity, but it was squandered. Goal kick. And the referee allowing advantage to accrue to them. No, high quality defending. And he's going to be disappointed with that pass. Neymar. Plenty of players waiting in the middle. Can he take the chance? Oh, crucial tackle. Brilliant. Well, he was dreaming of scoring, but ruled offside.
Well, it all happened very quickly, so I wouldn't criticise him too much. At least he was in there.
Giroud. Mbappe. Olivier Giroud at the ready. Well, nothing untoward happened. It comes to nothing in the end. Can they hit on the break? They need to get bodies back. Looked like an effective counter-attack, but brilliantly read. Fabinho. Oh, he's through here. And a goal to seal the hat-trick. A masterclass in finishing. Just can't stop him today.
Well, as you can see, they finish this really easily. They don't give the keeper a chance, do they? That's a good goal.
So the action continues, and it's been a thorough masterclass from Brazil so far. You do sense it's a question of how many. Oh, the penalty's been given, and it's not what they had in mind. It's falling apart for them. To make it 4-0. And he finds the net. No difficulties encountered. Well, it's been such a one-sided game. You just wonder how many more they could add. 30 minutes to go then. And that'll be a Brazil ball. And the substitution will occur now. Rafinha.
Well, Brazil have bossed the possession, as you can see. Yes, they've played well when going forward, but it's been their ability to regain the ball which has made them so hard to play against here, and it makes them such a good team.
Oh, sorry, Stuart, look at this! Oh, burying them beneath an avalanche of goals! No let-up here!
Well, just look at this again. He moves the ball quickly, he gets beyond his marker, and he keeps his composure. It's an excellent finish.
Oh, my goodness, it's so one-sided. 5-0 in this match. Chouameni. And intercepting it. Well, that's a super ball over the top. A goal! That's 2 for him today. They simply can't stop him. No wonder he's celebrating.
Well, as you can see, he gave the keeper no chance there. He looked so confident, didn't he? That's a cool finish.
Well, it's an out-and-out pasting. 6-0. Vinicius Junior. Well, there to intercept. Well, doesn't have to do it on his own, but it fizzles out thanks to that piece of defending. Into the final 20 minutes. Mbappe. It should be. Well, a piece of quick thinking by the keeper.
Well, that's great goalkeeping. He read it so well, didn't he?
Greizmen. Dangerous looking through ball. What a genuine opportunity, but it was squandered. Goal kick. Casemiro. And he keeps going. Chance here. And the referee's verdict is penalty kick. And to add insult to injury, it's a booking, Stuart.
Well, I agree with the penalty. I'm not quite so sure about the yellow card, though.
And he's only gone and made it a hat-trick. Absolutely unplayable today. What a performance.
Well, as you can see, the keeper makes no effort in the end. He was hoping it would be struck down the middle, but it's an easy finish, really.
And Dembele couldn't keep the ball. Plenty of support here. Tremendous ball played through. And the attack carried promise, but petered out. Vinicius! Now, counter-attacking possibilities here. Well, they seem to be onto something positive, but it faded away. Oh, a nice-looking pass. Defensive excellence there. Oh, wonderful goalkeeping.
Well, you have to say, from that sort of distance, that's a wonderful save.
An awful lot of green space to run into. And Neymar. Well, the cross that time completely overcooked. Offside by a fraction. Mbappe. And over the touchline for what will be a Brazil throw-in. Succeeded in keeping it in play. Oh, that's a really good run. Will it be? And with that, they've thwarted the opportunity. Oh, showing excellent vision. And the keeper making sure that there were no scraps to feed on for the attackers. Well, that's how to dispossess your opponent. It certainly wasn't a clean tackle, and the referee has got to book him, I think. Well, the supporters think it's on. Oh, that's a fine save. And the referee blows for full time. Most acceptable for all Brazilian fans. A victory here, Stuart.